Today, we're talking about something that drives us all crazy, annoying sounds. We all know the feeling of being in a quiet room, trying to concentrate, when suddenly someone starts making a sound that just grates on our nerves. Well, I'm here to break down the top 5 most irritating sounds so you can be prepared to avoid them at all costs. Number 1. Nails on a chalkboard. Okay, let's start with the classic. You know the sound I'm talking about, that high-pitched screech that sends shivers down your spine? It's like someone is dragging their nails across a chalkboard and it's enough to make you want to cover your ears and run away. Avoid at all costs. Now at number 2. Mouth sounds. You know those people who are always smacking their gum or slurping their soup? Yeah, exactly. Those kind of people. The sound of someone mouth making those wet, sloppy noise is just gross. It's like nails on a chalkboard for your taste buds. Coming in at number 3. Car alarms. You're just chilling in your room, minding your own business, when suddenly a car alarm goes off outside. It's loud, it's obnoxious, and it seems to go on forever. There's nothing you can do but sit there and wait for it to stop. Now let's go to number 4. And let's talk about sirens. Look, I know, sirens are necessary. They're there to alert us to emergencies and keep us safe. But that doesn't change the fact that they're annoying as heck. The sound of a siren blaring in the distance can be enough to ruin your day. Number 5 from this list. And this time, let's talk about fingernails tapping. Last but not least, we have the sound of someone tapping their fingernails on a hard surface. It's like a constant, rhythmic annoyance that you can't escape from. And it's even worse when the person doing the tapping doesn't even realize they're doing it. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 most annoying sound. If you want to be a considerate human being, try to avoid making these sounds yourself. And if you encounter someone else making them, politely ask them to stop. Trust me, you're here and your friends will thank you. If you like this content, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.